You know what clear aligners are, but do you understand the complex system that moves your teeth? This is not simply plastic. It's a system guided by AI, predicting your tooth movements with up to 94% accuracy. This precision starts with digital scans so fine they map your anatomy to within microns, thinner than a human hair. This hyper-realistic 3D model means you can preview your final smile before treatment even begins. We will now show you the entire process: the digital plan, the aligner science, and the biology that powers it. A perfect digital plan is one thing, but how does it become a physical force that actually moves solid teeth? The process begins with the material. These aligners are made from a patented medical-grade thermoplastic called SmartTrack. Its primary quality is engineered elasticity. This allows the aligner to apply a gentle, but more pointedly, a consistent force. Many plastics lose their shape and force quickly. SmartTrack's consistency offers more predictable control over tooth movement. Treatment is a sequence of aligners, not just one. Each new tray is another small, pre-planned step in the process. Each aligner moves your teeth just 0.25 to 0.33 millimeters. This gradual progression is both safe and effective. This brings us to the biggest question. How can plastic command teeth, which are set in bone, to physically move? The answer is a natural function your body performs constantly: bone remodeling. The aligner's steady pressure is the signal. On the side, a tooth is pushed. Pressure signals cells called osteoclasts to remove bone. This is bone resorption. It clears the path. At the same time, in the space left behind, cells called osteoblasts build new bone. This is bone deposition, locking the tooth in place. So that is how plastic moves bone. It doesn't use brute force. It cues your body's own regenerative system to perform the work. This system works well for simple adjustments. But what about rotating a stubborn tooth or pulling one into position? This is where SmartForce attachments are used. They are tiny tooth-coloured shapes bonded directly to specific teeth. Their placement is not random. They function as handles, giving the aligner grip for complex movements like rotations. For major bite corrections, the system can also include elastics, similar to traditional braces, to guide the jaw into position. With these additions, the AI, the material, and attachments, Invisalign now treats many complex cases once thought impossible for aligners. Remember the initial AI-driven plan? It precisely maps where every single attachment needs to be placed from day one for maximum effect. The technology is highly predictive, but human biology isn't always. So what happens when a tooth doesn't follow the digital plan? This is handled by a normal part of the process called refinements. A new scan is taken to create extra aligners for final tweaks. This means the plan isn't rigid, it's adaptable. Refinements make sure the final outcome matches the initial digital preview. The one variable the system cannot control is you. Wearing aligners 20 to 22 hours per day is non-negotiable for the bone remodeling to work. The technology is a strong partner, but your compliance brings the plan to fruition. What does this partnership actually accomplish? Let's put all the pieces together. The process starts with a hyper-accurate digital plan created by advanced AI. That plan dictates more than the final position. It controls the amount of force and the timing of that force on specific teeth. This precise staging is the main point. It's why treatment can be up to 50% faster, not from more force, but from smarter, targeted force. And this efficient movement is for more than a great smile. It helps prevent uneven tooth wear and can reduce TMJ discomfort. The entire process is a fusion of technologies. It starts with a digital twin of your mouth, captured with incredible precision. It continues with an AI-optimized plan, brought to life by materials that cue your body's own biological systems to act. And it finishes with the result you saw from day one. A result that needs lifelong retainer wear to be maintained. The method behind the smile isn't magic. It's a calculated fusion of data, material science, and biology. And now you know how it functions.